What I'm going to do is I'm going to show everybody how to link their profile to Facebook if it's not already done. So you go to your home page on Instagram, hit edit profile, scroll down, and it says public business information, page, connect or create. You're going to do connect existing page, log into Facebook, and then you can select that.
Well, no. I want to select, that's my business page. I have another page,
Okay. So let's do,
but it's already existing.
okay, so then let's find that. We're going to go here, we're going to go to settings, we're going to go to account center. We're going to hit story post sharing. It's going to go,
Oh, yeah, there's my Facebook. That's my actual Facebook one.
got it. Automatically share, automatically share. Okay.
Okay.
Allow all accounts to log into each other. Let's do that. So let's go back.
Oh, heck yeah. I just updated my thing. Oh, I love it. I love my profile right now.
Boom. We're going to go to account, switch account type, go to creator, switch. Now this might, let's see here. So if you go to post, see how it gives you that?
Yeah.
So now it'll share it to your Facebook, but I want to make sure, I want to double check what Facebook it's going to. So we're going to go here, account center, story posting and sharing. It's going to go to that one.
Yep.
Okay, perfect. So then you got that set up.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well, you
There
have
you
it
go.
set up.
Right. All right, cool. So then now when you share it, it'll give you the option to send it to automatically your Facebook.
Okay.